Hey, my new program, Ho'oponopono with Pendulums, is open. So if you signed up for that, go check it out. I want to briefly just talk about Ho'oponopono with Pendulums. It's really cool. So basically, in Hawaiian culture, there's this practice called Ho'oponopono. And it was originally a group practice. So you do it with families, with communities. And it's about making things right. So when there's conflict between people, or maybe even conflict between the community and the land or the ancestor spirits, you could do this process and it would help to restore order in the universe and make things flow smoothly, or restore order even on the smaller scale of the family unit or the group, the community. So very, very important traditional process. Now, the New Age people with the law of attraction picked up on this and discovered the value in this process for solo work. And so they adapted it to solo work and they simplified it to a mantra, which sort of captures the essence of it. And the mantra, a lot of you already know, is the I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And it's originally like intended to be an internal process that you do for yourself. Because if you are holding on to things, or if you're out of alignment, you're not going to be in harmony either. You're not going to be in what they call this achieved in this pono, the state of rightness, the state of connection to the universe, to other people. So by making things right within yourself, you energetically will start to align things to make them right with you. And in law of attraction, that would help you to bring in your manifestations, which was their main goal. But you can also use this for healing, manifestation, or just for psychological well-being. The cool thing is, if you do it with a pendulum, you can amplify it even more because the rotating action of the pendulum amplifies things. It makes things more powerful, makes them more likely to occur because it's based on metaphysical properties. The pendulum has energetic qualities. So this here is the Akashic pendulum. It has an amazing high vibe energy that's just amazing for energy healing and manifestation work. Also, the circular rotating action of the pendulum has properties of movement in a circle, which is really important in metaphysics. And in a lot of traditions, there's circular movement, circular, the Buddhist prayer wheels, walking around in circles around sacred monuments, Sufis dancing in circles, wizards casting magic circles, witches casting magic circles, circular hats of wizards and witches, all these things with circles. The circle and the circular motion in particular that the pendulum makes, this rotating action, has power. So if you take the mantra of the Ho'oponopono, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, and you energize this with your pendulum, it can have really cool effects. So, like, this is going to sound interesting, but a lot of times I will just do this whenever I'm feeling off, like just feel a little off energetically, or maybe I'm feeling a little like guilty about something, or maybe just something doesn't feel right. I'll just do this very quickly. Only takes a few seconds and it can totally shift your vibe and change it around. There have been times when I've done this when actually my business then all of a sudden will get sales, even though I didn't make any efforts to get sales. But it's just because it raised my vibe. It puts people more energetically in tune with what I'm doing and they find my stuff. But that's not the only reason you would do this. You do this for spiritual reasons, healing reasons, manifestation too. Okay, so take your pendulum. This is the simplest one. In the course, I have lots of protocols and I go through different steps and how to do them. But this is just the simplest one that anyone can do. So I'm just going to share this with you. So you take a high vibe pendulum and you just say the mantra, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And you let your pendulum just rotate around a little bit. And I like to do this either 4 to 8 times. So those are magical numbers, and they have power in numerology. So I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. That's 4 times. You could also do it 8 times. And then you just say, I neutralize any blocks I have to completely experiencing this state of pono, the state of harmony, rightness with the universe. I send blue-green energy to being in harmony in a state of Pono. This or something better for my highest good and the highest good of all concerned. If you were thinking about a person, you could like also send them some love. Like I send love and healing to the person I was thinking of. Or if it's something that like maybe like something you want to end, you could say like now send highest good of all concerned, I send silver energy to end that thing that was troubling me. I send silver energy to end it. This is better than cutting the cord. You just send silver and that will cause it to naturally wither. But you could also send blue green to something you want to strengthen, like I send blue green to, being healed or having this all resolved for the highest good. So there's lots of like ways you can play with this and extend it, but the simplest way is you just take a high vibe pendulum, say the mantra. I recommend doing it like 4 to 8 times, and then just kind of see what happens. Like, are there any shifts? Are there any changes? Do you feel better? Do people treat you differently? Do problems that were happening sort of resolve themselves? It's a really cool, simple process that you can do. And yeah, I encourage you to try it out. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.